One of these emails is generated with Reach and the other one is generated with Claude. Which one do you like more?
I think I'm gonna pick the first one, actually. I just find that there's less text, it's more aesthetically pleasing. There's a big call to action right at the very top of the email, so it's very precise on what it wants to communicate, and it's giving me a clear next step forward. So yeah, I'm gonna pick that one.
Yeah, I like this one the most because it has graphical images, so I think it represents better what I'm trying to say in my message.
I think that I would prefer the second one because it's far more clearer than the first one, and also better, I think, for professional concerns.
Writing emails can take hours, so today I'm going to show you how AI can do it in just a few mere minutes, from a 30-day strategy to designing the emails and hitting send. Now to start off, AI can help you build your email strategy. You can use it to research what competitors are sending, spot gaps in their messaging, identify the questions and objections customers have before they buy, and figure out the stories, offers, and angles that will resonate most with your audience. Alright, here's a prompt that you could actually use. I'm using a handmade jewelry business as an example, but you can just adapt it to your own business. And it goes like this. Act as a senior email marketing strategist. A 30-day email campaign. Now, if that was too fast, don't worry. I've left this prompt along with all the other prompts I'm using in this video as a downloadable in the description box below. Anyways, Claude will give you a ton of ideas for how your emails should look and what to actually say. And for my plan, I'm using this particular framework. I'll also use Claude to build a 30-day email calendar around it. And while doing this, keep in mind who each email is for, when it should be sent and why, the action you want your reader to take, and the metric you'll use to measure whether it worked, whether that's clicks, replies, or sales. Now, I'll include all of that into the prompt right here. Act as an email marketing strategist using the brand information I've attached. Format it as a calendar inside Claude. Alright, let's give Claude a minute or so and see what it comes back with. Alright, I can see that week 1 focuses on introducing the brand, sharing its story, giving people a reason to pay attention. Well, week 2 moves into helpful content, tips, and information the audience actually wants. Okay, nice. Week 3 is about things like testimonials, case studies, and user-generated content, okay? And week 4 is where the offer is introduced and people have a reason to buy. Now, if you'd like a different format, like an Excel spreadsheet, you just have to prompt that. It's super easy. Now, not every subscriber should receive the same email. A new lead, a loyal customer, and someone who's ready to buy are all at different stages, and they need different messages. Now, this is why email segmentation is actually super important, and AI can help you build a structure for it. It can group your audience into different personas based on where they are in the journey, and then suggest what to send, what objections to address, and how to move them towards the next step. And you can actually later create those audience segments in your email platform, like Hosting or Reach, and turn them into automated email campaigns. The ultimate goal is to find the moment when someone is most likely to stay, engage, or buy. That's your activation point. Now, with Hosting or Reach, you can organize your users using details like subscription date, sign-up source, email engagement, tags, and any custom fields you've set up, like country or preferences. You can also describe a segment in plain language, like contacts who received and opened an email in the last 30 days, and then Reach will build that audience for you automatically. And that's a great way to create a segment of your most engaged subscribers, so you can send them exclusive offers or more in-depth educational content about your brand. This can also be used to trigger automated email flows. Someone who abandons their cart can automatically enter a recovery sequence. A customer who makes a purchase can enter a post-purchase follow-up sequence. Here is where AI can help you write those emails and even suggest subject lines. And on paid plans, Smart Sending automatically delivers them when each recipient is most likely to engage. Now, if you don't have an account yet, make sure to use the link I've left in the description and this discount code on the screen right here to get a plan and create an account. Alright, with all the information the AI has generated, I'm going to build my very first email. There are 2 ways to do this. Now, if you like working in Claude, you can draft your email there first. Let's say you like the idea for an email about Materials 101 that Claude generated. You just need to write a prompt like this one right here. And that's exactly what Claude sends back. The quality depends a lot on what you give it up front, like your brand guidelines or any competitor or trends research. Regardless, you can refine the prompt with a few follow-up prompts until it fits exactly what you want. Now, I'm gonna turn this into a real email. I'm gonna be using Hostinger Reach because it's super simple. Now, instead of asking Claude to generate just the text, you can also ask it to generate the entire email in HTML, including the layout, colors, and formatting. Then, inside Reach, you can create a template by uploading that HTML directly or pasting it into the code editor if you're editing an existing template. Now, if you'd rather skip Claude, you can connect your Hostinger website to Reach in just one single click. And it will optionally pull in your brand details and sync any contacts you've already collected. You can also set or update your logo, colors, and business info manually in the settings. Then, you can import your contact list via CSV. Now, if you already have a list of people you want to email, Reach does support standard fields like name and email, but if your CSV includes extra information like someone's country, preferences, or customer type, you can create custom fields during the import and upload all of that data too. That way, you can use it later to personalize your emails and build more targeted segments. Then, all you've got to do is describe the campaign in one line and Reach will generate a full draft, including a suggested email template, subject line, email copy, and CTAs ready for you to review and refine before sending. And if anything needs adjusting, the Rewrite This tool inside Reach lets you shorten a paragraph, lengthen one that feels thin, fix grammar, or shift the tone, all without leaving the editor. Now, regardless of how you build your emails, you can also run them through the spam checker before sending. It scans for spam risk content, grammar issues, link and button problems, and readability. It's going to rate each area and let you apply AI suggested fixes in just one single click. Now, once your email is built, just go ahead and launch it. Now, from here, you can track opens and clicks and oversee the click map, which highlights which links got the most clicks, so you can quickly see what resonated with your audience. That data feeds directly back into your next campaign, which segments to double down on, which subject lines actually worked, and what to try differently next month. That data is yours to learn from. If a subject line gets high opens but low clicks, it means the hook worked, but the content or offer didn't. If one segment consistently engages more than the others, that's a signal to focus more on that particular audience. And if engagement drops after a certain email, that's where you know interest is fading. Now, if you want to dive deeper into email marketing metrics, let me know down in the comments below and I can create a video just for that. So that's how AI helps you plan your strategy, create your campaigns, reach the right audience, and understand your results. And you can do it all inside Hostinger Reach. I've left a link in the description box below, along with a coupon code you can use to try it yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.